What is Bhramari pranayama? Making the sounds like the honeybee. Because this Bhramara is that in Kannada we call it as tumbe. It's one insect and it's also now tumbe anta kariyuvanthadu Kannadadalli. In Hindi it is called as bhavar. Okay. So this Bhramara is one insect which makes the sounds like that humming sound is done by that insect, and inspired from the insect it is named as Bhramari pranayama, where we will be making the sounds like that insect. So it is called as Bhramari pranayama. Bhramari pranayama is basically a wonderful practice to balance all your energies, to balance the chakra, to make the alignment in the chakra alignment. If you are working on chakra alignment, then the Bhramari pranayama is the best choice. If you want to settle down with the vibrations which is there in your emotional body, then Bhramari is the best thing. And not just the emotional body, this Bhramari pranayama is also very much helpful in all the physiological problem as well, to reset the physiological actions of every individual organ in your body. Bring back to the physiology. This is really very helpful, the Bhramari pranayama. And in the kids, no doubt it's good to improve the concentration, memory power, focus and the stability of the mind and your thoughts. So I think not just the kids, we all need it. We all need it to stabilize our mind. So Bhramari pranayama, practicing every day, minimum 21 times. That is good. And while doing the Bhramari pranayama, there are many methods. I'll brief some of the methods. So one is doing this, sitting in the dhyana mudra and just humming it. Like you have to inhale first, and while exhaling you are humming. And that humming has to be loud enough to feel the vibration. It is not like gently no, it is like the in that way, with the loud sound you are trying to feel the vibrations, then only it is beneficial. So that is the first way. And the second way, where you can use the Suji mudra. This is Suji mudra. So where you will just make it like this, and you will just close the door of this ear. You are not putting the fingers inside your ear. You are just, there is a small gate. Do you see a small triangular gate in your ear? So you are just closing it gently with this Suji mudra, and again you are inhaling first, and while exhaling you are making the humming sound with this Suji mudra, like this. This is the second method. And there is another method which is called Shanmukhi mudra. In the Shanmukhi mudra, what you are doing, you are closing this like with the thumb, you are closing the ear door the same way, and with the forefinger you are placing it on your forehead, and the remaining three are placed over your face like this. Like this. This is Shanmukhi mudra. Shanmukhi mudra also practiced in two ways. One way is what I have shown you like this, and the another way where it is covered like this. It is not spread all over your face.
Thumbs are
not inside the ear.
No?
Thumbs should never be inside the ear. Thumb, because that may even damage it. So thumb should never be in any format of this thing. Thumbs over the ear door, not inside the ear. Okay. So you are putting it just over this, and then three fingers are covering your eye like this, and this on your just above the eyebrow. This is another way of doing the Shanmukhi mudra. But in this mudra, you are again inhaling first, and while exhaling making the humming sound. So these are the different ways which you can practice the Bhramari pranayama. And which is the best time to practice Bhramari pranayama is early morning and the late evening. At the time of the sunrise and at the time of the sunset is the best time to do this.
Even all low yoga asanas are done like that, early morning, sunset or
yes, always it is better in the Sandhya Kala. And not just that, in the Bhramari pranayama, another variation what you can practice is practicing the Omkara as well. Not just the humming sound, this is one aspect. You can also practice A-U-M-Kara together. Like take a inhalation first, and while exhaling you will start with A-Kara first. And at the time you feel like you are ending the breath, then without ending the breath you are turning it into ooh. Even that time when you feel like okay, I am done with the breath, you are closing the mouth, you are holding the breath there, you are not leaving or not inhaling. In holding, you are still dragging the same exhalation for little longer. So that is akara, ukara, makara practice. That is also considered as the Bhramari pranayama, where you are practicing a, u, makara in a single exhalation. And again you will inhale and you will start with the a, u, makara. So these are the different ways where you can practice Bhramari pranayama. It is very much beneficial to all of us. We can all do that every day. It can even be helpful to enhance the benefits of the Panchakarma as well. So I suggest you to do this every day. That to Which one?
Bhramari is included should be done with other pranayama or
With the other pranayama it is difficult, right? Where you are inhaling and exhaling. After that you can include. Okay, whether this Bhramari can be practiced with other this thing, yeah, definitely. Definitely you can include it. Yeah. Okay. Any other doubts regarding Bhramari pranayama? No? Okay.